Apple CarPlay, Android Auto for the latest Alphard or Vellfire. Alphard and Vellfire, both user interface are the same, so I will choose Vellfire. For your information, Apple CarPlay is wireless, only the Apple CarPlay. Android Auto, you still need to use the USB cable. The port is over here. Okay, both are the Type-C, but for the left is only for charging. The right is data. So for the Android Auto, you need to plug it here, not this. If you still prefer to use the USB cable for Apple CarPlay, you can still use it. Just plug it normally. Allow. You see, you can choose to have enable wireless or USB only. Okay, so this is very simple and direct. To use Apple CarPlay wirelessly, first you need to link it with Bluetooth first. Over here, Bluetooth and devices. This one I already connected previously. Okay, I'll start it all over again. Search the Bluetooth. I guess should be the car multimedia. Pair. Enable Apple CarPlay. Yes. Okay. Now it's connected. So this is how you connect Apple CarPlay wirelessly. And now let's try the Android Auto. Sadly, Android Auto is not wireless. You need the USB cable. Okay. Remember, plug on the right hand side. For the left hand side, it's just for the charging. It's only for charging. It can't detect. See, nothing happened. Let's change to another port. Android Auto. Okay. Continue. So now your Android Auto is connected. And last one, Miracast. The Miracast is only for Android. It's not for the Apple CarPlay. And the Miracast is wireless. First, you need to download the Miracast app. So I got another device. Come, I'll show you how to get it connected. I'll go to the Miracast app over here by 3 theme. Okay, connect, screen mirroring, search for the devices, sources, scroll to Miracast. Car multimedia. Accept the connection. Done. Okay. This is how it works. Okay. very simple. The only issue is that there's no wireless for the Android Auto. I don't understand why. It is more or less the same with the previous model, which is AGH40. The only difference is that it doesn't come with the Apple CarPlay wireless. Okay, to know how to connect Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or even Miracast for the previous model, you can check my older video over here. Okay, thank you.